Today we are just going to solve the TGT paper. This is the UP TGT exam 2010. It was held in 13 Feb 2011. So first question is, if we will talk about the first question, who wrote the following lines? Fresh, spring and summer and winter her. Which poem this line has conducted, and apart from this, who has written this famous line, move my faint heart with grief? So this line is written by Sally. In the poem we can talk about the lament is one of the most pathetic poem of the Sally. So the correct answer would be Sally. So correct answer would be Sally. Sally has written this poem, and apart from this, you can remember the few things about the things through the last three lines when the poet says fresh spring and summer and winter. That moment he said this word, move my faint heart with grief, but with delight no more, oh never more. These lines is said by Sally in the poem of Lament is one of the most pathetic poem by Sally. So correct answer would be, what would be the correct answer? The correct answer would be Sally. B would be the correct answer. Now move on the next one. The author Nightingales is written by. It means who has written the Nightingale. So this is a very simplest question. We can talk about it. The answer would be C. Nightingale. It is written by Robert Brace. It is written by Robert Brace. Now the move on the next question. Next question would be, I'm just zooming out for your better seeing this part. Yes. Next question, of which poem is the following line, apart for them no more the blazing heart shall burn? This line is taken from which work? So we can talk about, the answer would be C. This line is taken from Thomas Gray's Elegy. Okay, so it has written by Thomas Gray and Gray Elegy. So C would be correct answer. Now move on the next question. The Alchemist. What kind of alchemist is a novel or the book, or we can talk about tragedy or the comedy? What would be the correct answer? Alchemist is a very famous book. So what would be the correct answer? So correct answer, we can talk about Alchemist, a famous novel. And who has written the Alchemist? Who has written the Alchemist? They can also ask this question to you. So if we will talk about the Alchemist, Alchemist is also be a famous novel. So correct answer would be A. So what would be the correct answer? Correct answer would be A. And Alchemist is novel written by, think it, then I'll give the answer to you. The Alchemist is novel written by Canadian author we can talk about. So writer name is Paul Coelho. The Alchemist novel is written by Paul Coelho. So correct answer would be novel, and it is written by Paul Coelho. Coelho. This is also be a famous novel. Now just move on the next question. An Alexandrian is the verse line. So you have to explain it. Alexandrian we just call the iambic hexameter or the pentameter or the tetrameter. What would be the correct answer? This is also be a very common question. You have to remember it. That would be the iambic pentameter. So correct answer would be iambic pentameter. B would be correct answer. Move on the next answer. W.H. Auden belonged to the W.H. Auden. Which century W.H. Auden belonged to? If we will talk about the present century or the 18th century or the 20th century, which century? Century in the sense you have to remember it. Which century he just composed his poem, which century he just born, that all will comes under the category of century. So sixth correct answer would be 20th century, because he just belonged to the post-colonial writer. So that would be the come under the category of 20th century. Now just move on the next question. For the last 30 years of his life, Thomas Hardy did not write. What things he did not write during the 30 years of his life? Short stories or poem or novel or plays? What would be the correct answer? Very good. He has written many stories, he has written many poems, many plays, but he did not written any kind of novel during 30 years. So this would be the correct answer. Thomas Hardy is a very famous author. You have to just remember all things about the Thomas Hardy. If you want detailed solution, you can just put in the comment box. Now move on the eighth question. Robert Browning poetry. Which kind of poetry Robert Browning has written? That would be the optimistic, pessimistic, melloristic, or neither optimistic nor pessimistic. What would be the correct answer? So what we all knows, the Robert Browning is a very famous author and he has written the optimistic. He has written optimistic poetry in his life. Now, so correct answer would be A. Move on the next question. Milton was an Elizabethan poet or the belated Elizabethan poet, or we can talk about which kind of poet. So I'm just giving the two options to you. So if we will talk about Milton, just belong to the Elizabethan age, not an ablated. So what would be the correct answer? So A would be the correct answer. Now move on the 10th one. This is the 10th one. Dryden as critic was. We all knows he was a critic. Dryden has critic the many poets. So you just tell me Dryden as a critic was a blind supporter of Aristotle. Tell me. No, this will not be answer. Apart from this, a opponent of the critical theories of Aristotle. Yes, he always support to Aristotle critical theories. So he never support Aristotle. He always opponent of the critical theories. He always criticize the Aristotle critical theories. So B would be correct answer. Now move on the another one. Question number 11 to 16. You have to find out the correct spelling. So 11th one, they are just asking about the appellant. What is the meaning of appellant and what would be the correct answer? So if we will talk about the appellant, appellant is the APELLANT. Appellant, this would be the correct answer. Now move on the 12th one. If we will talk about the 12th one, Valjubab. Valjubab is a place we can talk about it. So what would be the correct answer? A would be the correct answer. Now move on the 13th. 13th, they are just asking about the correct spelling. So we have to check aggregation and the aggregation, and another one is the C, aggregation. So you have to just find out the correct spelling. So what would be the correct spelling? B would be the correct spelling. AEXAGG. And you already remember that things whenever vowel come between the two things, that definitely it will be double like a Z. Got it? Now move on the question number 14. Question number 14 is also, we have to just highlight the correct spelling. We have to find out the which one is correct. So in 14th, they are just asking about the hydrocortisone. Hydrocortisone, what would be the correct spelling? So C would be correct one. And the 15th is C will be the correct answer option. And the 16th, Narcissus, what would be the correct spelling? Narcissus will always come, and this is a very common word. So A would be the correct answer, NARCISSUS. Now move on the 17 to 20. Here we have to read the proper read each of the following sentence to trace the parts which are incorrect, grammatically incorrect. So the alphabet of the part is to be mentioned as an answer. So we have to find out which part is incorrect, A, B, C or D. If no error is there, then we have to click on D. So if we will talk about 17th, what would be the correct answer? The director, it is correct. Failed in films, after films. So this is the wrong one. As a grammatically, why it is wrong one? Because the director is correct, which the directed is correct, and failed in films, no. In films is the wrong. So that's why that would be wrong. Now just move on the 18th one. No sooner had. No sooner had the doctor entered the hospital. Yes, both are correct. Then it began to rain. No error is there. It means all options are correct. So no error would be there. Then we have to click on D. Move on the 19th. Had he reached the station, and second one is a few minutes earlier. So if we will talk about the 19th one, A and B is correct. He had caught the train. No. He had caught the train. No. So that would be the wrong. Now move on the 20th. He committed suicide twice. He committed suicide twice. No. We can't write it twice. He committed suicide. So that would be the wrong. Now just move on the next one. He congratulated him. In 21, so A is the correct, and for winning a scholarship, that is the wrong. He congratulated him. Why he just congratulating him? He just congratulating him to winning a scholarship, not for winning a scholarship. Okay, so that would be the wrong one. And 22, the furnitures purchased by me. So if we will talk about the 22, the furnitures, if we will talk about the, we are just using the, then we are just putting S. So it would be wrong. So A would be answer. Now move on the 23. Vindicative means. Now you have to give the answer. What is the meaning of vindicative? So vindicative means we can talk about it. What would be the correct answer? That is the revengeful. We are taking the some kind of revenge to the others. That is the revengeful. So correct answer would be revengeful. Now 24. Just find out the correct answer for 24. What is the tumultuous mean? What is it? So correct answer would be causing disturbance. So A would be correct answer. Now reticent means. What would be the correct answer of 25? 25 correct answer is we are just reserve something. That is called the reticent. So B would be correct answer. Next part we will cover in next class. If you want more solution, just put it in the comment box. Thank you so much.